There are two ways you can participate in our Block of the Month here starting this spring. You can purchase the kit that we are making that is made with the Tonga Batiks that is pictured here. And with that kit, you'll get all of the fabrics at once and the pattern supplied to you from Wing and a Prayer. And that is this colorway. You can see it in person. And then the other way you can participate is you can just purchase the pattern from Nebraska Quilt Company and then allow us to help you with your fabric selection. Maybe you have some fabrics in your stash that you would like to utilize and then add to it with some of our fabric that we have here in our store. So that I am doing that as well. I am making a second quilt out of this colorway.